Alright, good morning. Today is a Monday, so you know what that means. Always gonna get into something today. So I guess on my last clip I said I needed wheels, steering wheel, and exhaust. Well, I guess everything is coming quicker than I expected. I found a really good deal on wheels in Orlando. I'm actually going to go pick up some wheels right now. The time is currently 9:56. I am going to go pick up a special guest that will be coming with me today because I really don't want to make that journey alone. We will see what this day goes and brings us. So I guess I'll just record whatever I feel like is recordable because at the end of the day, I'm not a YouTuber. That's start, cold start. Should probably bring this jack just in case.
Bird shit on your door handle here.
Yeah, I don't care. I'm not holding it. So this is the special guest that we are bringing. Hello. What do you have to say?
Hi. Good morning.
He's high. That's why he has sunglasses on.
First thing in the morning, huh?
First toke in the morning, boys. So
chill.
So like I said, we are on the way to Orlando right now. It should take probably an hour and 50 minutes to get there. It's not fully Orlando, but it's like partially there. I just texted the guy. The guy said he was on his way. And we will resume this vlog when something cool happens, like a car that we see that we think is cool, like this one right here. C500H. Wow, those are expensive. But yeah, we will get back to you guys in a little bit. Bye. Like I said, I was in this clip where I said I need a steering wheel. I mean, on this road where I said I need. Oh fuck! I was about to do a pull, and look, I have police behind me. I was about to do a Zaza pull, but look, I have PBSO right behind my ass. Zoom. So I guess that's out of the books. Look, this is how I film, John. He's fucking zooming. He's doing 80 and we're doing 80. Yeah, so we'll get there when we get there. I mean, hopefully we can make it from a quarter tank with a V8. What do you think?
Alright, yeah. Maybe Port St. Lucie.
If that, honestly. Filming another one. Man. So we're going to pick up some wheels and then we're going to install an exhaust. We might fuck around and install the wheels too because
it's quick. Oh yeah, oh.
Because I have a whole jack with me. I'm not sure if 4 wheels can fit in here, but we're going to see.
You didn't wire it.
I didn't wire it. Dude, why is he looking at me? Why is he such a snake,
Fucking guy. Nah, chill. I can't run shit. I just got off my my ticket shit. GSL, bro.
Just got to Port St. Lucie. What do you have to say?
This place sucks.
I don't even know what is Port St. Lucie. I've never even been here before.
It's like an equestrian.
Oh, look, it's an AMC. Never mind. They have cool shit here. Guys, we just got the wheels. They're sick. I mean, they look like what they are in pictures, and they are. Yo, I told him we came from Miami. That's why he asked us how long our drive was. His drive was like 2 hours. Ours took an hour and 45. So we are here in Clearwater. The time is currently 6:45, and here they are. So I just picked us a set of HREs. This was totally out of the blue because literally in 2 hours, well, when we get back to West Palm Beach, John, what are we doing?
We're tuning the car.
Yeah,
we're tossing the exhaust on.
We're tossing the exhaust on, but I'm like, dude, let's just toss the wheels on right now for the ride, you know? So fuck it. So that's what we're doing right now. Yeah, I mean, look how prepared we. I have a whole jack. Oh man, this is really all
Oh, we're gonna go by hand. Could have told me I would have brought a gun.
Here's a gun right here.
Oh, what?
Oh, wait, don't show that one. Like I said, one of the reasons why I got these wheels are because almost showing thread. Not, these are,
What the fuck is that hole, dude?
I don't know. I bought the car literally a month ago. I wish BMW had studs.
They do if you do them right. I got studs on mine.
These are about magnificent. This is just funny to watch. Should have bought a gun.
Should have told me. I would have brought mine.
What? I didn't know that we were going to change them out on the spot. Yeah, we'll get back to you guys when we get all the wheels put on. We're about to see how they look.
Yeah. Weezy out here. Back home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, this lethal, dog. Who you see? What? Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me what you gotta do. Bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dog. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dog. There ain't nothing.
Wow. Wait, go.
That is good.
A little bit more.
Just a hair.
Yeah. Maybe go stand over there.
I might have to settle as well, you gotta remember. Oh shit. Yeah, you'll be fine.
Yeah, they look fire.
Oh yeah.
What do you think, John?
I think we need to put the fronts on.
Yeah, but what do you think?
I love it. I actually love it.
They look smaller than the OEM wheels, though.
It's the way the thickness
these are
of these.
75s.
Yeah, it's the thickness of this part right here, because these are pretty thin looking. But
Yeah.
we couldn't give you the valve stem caps.
Yeah, what a fucking.
$1,600, no valve stem caps though.
Fucking asshole, honestly. What do you think?
I mean,
It looks sick. Holy shit.
I love that you can afford an M3, but you don't have a fucking wheel gun.
Yo, I have a gun. It's in the trunk. I just don't have a wheel gun.
You got a wheel gun, but not a wheel
We
gun.
shouldn't put that in the video. Well. We are here, back at it again. You already know what the fuck going on, because I don't. So, guys, I don't know what to say. I want to say shout outs to John because he literally drove, well, he was in the car with me when we drove to fucking Port St. Lucie, Clearwater. When we drove to Clearwater, literally stayed there for like 30 minutes, if that, swapped the wheels. I actually left my fucking breaker bar at 17 mil there.
The neighborhood in Philly that I can't go.
I mean, the grass cutting people, they're gonna see it when it goes through their machine. So they're gonna know some fool has been here.
Tell them Nat sent you.
Yeah, tell them Nat sent you. But anyways, guys, the wheels, 10 out of 10. Like, they make the car. I don't know if we can get more B-roll, but Matt will do his best to edit it. But honestly, they look amazing, and I mean, like, the fitment could be changed up a little bit more. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I would probably put like a 10 mil spacer, like give like a meteor tire. Mind you, I got the wheels and tires together. They still have this like little suede like material on the tire, so it's literally still brand new. Brand new. So yeah, guys, but the fucking exhaust video is going to be, I don't know, I think the video is going to be better than the video here that we have going on right now. I mean, I could give you guys a little sneak peek of the exhaust. And we're done. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.